are choosing. Is this the one you want? Philosophy number 2, play. It's not just an activity, it's a state of mind that brings energy and sparks creativity. Be there. Be there for everybody who's talking to you, be it your seniors, your colleagues, your customers. So be there to be present, to be fully engaged in that moment. And philosophy number 4, make their day. The world becomes a better place the moment you act on an intention to serve another. We'll now quickly look at how a workplace in the retail setup would look like with these 4 philosophies in place.
Ya ganamos lo más grande de este mundo. Nos amamos.
When they came in their own grumpy moods, completely dominated and governed by their personal lives, and they actually took that pause there to choose the attitude and play in the back office to kind of create that positive energy, and now they're coming into the shop floor. Now move to the uniforms. ITIM, Institute of Fashion Design and Technology, recommends that the next generation uniform will be a combination of aesthetics, functionality and culture mirror. To understand the uniforms better or to demonstrate them further, we have classified them on 2 parameters, and we're calling them value format uniforms and the lifestyle format uniforms. We have further classified each category based on the hierarchy, and we're going to demonstrate before you 3 hierarchies of uniform. We're calling them support staff uniform, the CSA's uniform, and the store management uniform. The support staff uniform needs to be functional, hygienic, and practical. Keeping in mind that most of these support staff are outsourced and the retailer cannot control the uniform, we recommend an apron. This employee wears the third-party contractor's uniform and comes to work, and the moment it enters the workplace, actually gets into this uniform which is provided by the retailer. This uniform is a utility apron which has multi-pocket to be able to accommodate all the requirements of the support staff. Also to ensure certain amount of brand translation into the uniform, and the color code which would remain the same for the CSAs as well as for the store management level. body, so this is how the apron looks like. For the retailers who have the in-store staff and the store management, and they actually have a lot of control over the uniforms, we recommend certain designs here as cats, which you can see on the screen. We recommend usage of the polyester cotton blend finish, stain soil release resistant, odor resistant and antibacterial finish. The footwear that we recommend is anti-skid, water resistant and highly durable and comfortable footwear. What you saw Dishan walk a little early was for the CSA uniform. The CSA's work, keeping the work of the CSA in mind, they are multitasked, so they do a lot of work. They're just not talking to the customer all the time, but they're possibly doing a lot of stock management related work. So we've designed a uniform which is simple to wear to at least come to work. And so you can see the mandarin collar, because collars normally gets dirty in this kind of a job. So we've made a mandarin collar colored shirt along with the trouser, which is antibacterial, odor resistant and wrinkle free. Nishan, would you walk once again? Hence the uniform, the fabric that we recommend is polyviscose or a polycotton blend with elastane to give it elasticity and the stretch factor. They are easy to maintain and to wrinkle, breathable, comfortable, yet stylish. And as you can see, the front of the shirt and the back, the front of the shirt has a provision for the brand logo of the retail.